Hello, Lovey's Fat Life Nation. This is Mike Lovelace, and this guy right here is
Anthony.
Hey, and today we got a food video for you guys. We're going to use this thing. This is our second cook on the REC bull. Grab the bull by the horns. We're going to fix one of our favorites for, gosh, I remember as a small kid we ate this, and I'm 49 years old. But Lipton Onion Cheeseburgers. But we're also going to do a few Juicy Lucy's. So we'll show you how to make those as well. First time ever cooking burgers on this bull, and we're going to try it out. I've read several things on a couple of forums. We're going to try them low smoke or extreme smoke for about 30 minutes. I've got the hamburgers actually back in the freezer right now, getting them really cold. So hopefully they'll take on more smoke is what I'm hearing. We'll try it. And then after that, we're going to bump it up to 400 degrees. And we're going to finish those things off at 400 degrees. Hopefully within 15 minutes, they'll be at 155 to 160 internal temp. So again, thanks. Like and subscribe our channel, Lovey's Fat Life, food and travel, fat. That's what that stands for. Plus there's some other meanings with that. But we love to cook and smoke on the grill. We got a stick burner. We just got this REC TEC. We also got a Kamado grill. And then we love to go cruising. So that's the travel part of it. So again, like, subscribe, find us on Facebook. We got a Facebook page. Smoke some meat, love life, travel, love the Lord, all those good things. Life is good. I'm stealing that from Life is Good today, I think. It's good. Thank you. All right, on these Juicy Lucy hamburgers, we've got 80-20 hamburger meat, ground chuck, and then we got Worcestershire sauce, pack of Lipton Onion Soup mix. We got 2 packs of that. Montreal steak sauce, and then our patty maker, and then also we got some pepper jack cheese that we're going to put on the inside of these Juicy Lucy's. We do Juicy Lucy's and regular hamburgers. Both turn out awesome. Check out this smoke ring on both of them. Thank you. Alright, this is a very simple recipe. You just ground up this chuck here, split it out, then you can take 2 packs of Lipton Onion Soup mix. It's actually 1 pack per 2 pounds. This was 3.77 pounds, so we sprinkled in 2 packs of Lipton Onion Soup mix, and then we put the Worcestershire sauce in here just to sprinkle all the way around to keep it good and juicy. It's already got plenty of fat. Mix this bad boy up really good. Alright, again, like I said, this is a very easy process. We take our hamburger, get a ball of it, put it in our patty maker here, push down on it. Then we turn around and take some of this pepper jack cheese, a couple slices, actually 3, put 2 in the middle, cut 1 in half, put it on the side. Then you take a handful of meat again. You know, normally one of these is 1 burger by itself, which is about 4 to 5 ounces. So we're putting 2 of these on top of each other, making it between 8 and 10 ounces. So these are huge burgers. But these are very good. Again, all you gotta do is put that cheese in the middle of it, press it around the sides real good to seal it on the ends, and then you're ready to go. So we do 3 of them this way. And then we turn around and take some of this Montreal steak seasoning. It's McCormick, it's a cheap brand, but it's actually pretty good for something you can buy locally and usually at Walmart or Sam's Club. I always sprinkle it on the plate first, and then put the hamburgers on top of it. That seasoning will go on the bottom, and then you can turn around and season on top. You can also do this on your grill as well, your smoker. Put the seasoning on the top once it's on the grill, but very simple process. Alright, we're going to do this extreme smoke. We're going hamburgers here. We're going to go extreme smoke for probably about 30 minutes once I put the hamburgers on. We're going to let this thing fire up first, get up to 175, 180, whatever the low smoke temp is. Then we'll put the burgers on for 30 minutes, then we'll crank up the heat to about 400 to finish them off. Alright, if you've been thinking about getting a REC TEC 700 bull, please do so. I really am in love with this pellet grill. I've got stick burners, I've had Kamado grills, I've got gas grills. This thing is one awesome cooking machine. little pricey to the average person probably, but it's well worth it. Definitely check these guys out. Well worth the money, very well built. All right, we got the Juicy Lucy's here. We're getting ready to open up this smoker, put them on the right side. We've already hit the 180 temp, the extreme smoke, and the fan's cutting on and cutting off, blowing smoke around. So let's lift this up. We'll put these on the right side so we'll remember which ones they are. Quite a bit of smoke here. These things have been in the freezer for about 15 minutes after we mixed them up. So now let's get ready to put the regular cheeseburgers with Lipton onion in them. All right, these are the Lipton onion, just regular without the Juicy Lucy, and they're actually kind of thin because I squashed a couple of them while I was putting them in the freezer. But let's put these on the left side. Alright, so we've got the regular Lipton onion burgers on this side. You can tell there's a huge difference in the size. And the 3 Juicy Lucy's, we're going to put them over here on this side. This side actually runs a tad hotter, not much, maybe a couple of degrees hotter than the left side anyway. So we're going to put these on extreme smoke for 30 minutes and let them take off the smoke. Then we're going to bump that temp up to 400. Extreme smoke, man, it's pouring out. We're going to do this for 30 minutes. Just hope that's not a bitter smoke. And then we're going to bump that temp up to 400 and finish off these cheeseburgers. All right, it's been 30 minutes at extreme smoke. This thing's been bellowing out the smoke here. We got storms coming in also, so I hope we can get through this thing. We're gonna bump this temperature up, but I'm gonna take a peek after 30 minutes of extreme smoke and see what these burgers look like, and then we're gonna bump up this temp to 400. Okay, so a little bit brown on them. You got the 3 Lucy Juicies over there and the other 5 burgers on this side. So we're gonna bump this temp up now. Bump this up 400. We'll see how long it takes to go from there to 400 as well. It takes too long. Man, it started pouring down rain. Luckily, I just had rolled this. This thing's awesome. It's on these nice casters on this competition cart. I rolled this just on the edge of my garage so that the exhaust still goes outside. Rain's hitting the hopper, but keeping the main part of the grill here dry, so it has made it harder for the temp to get up though with that cool rain and cool water. It's about 5 degrees away. Pretty even across. That's actually done. We're going to take these back from the car. That one's up. Yeah, we're going to pull these off on the left side. Keep these still cooking. Get more on there. All right, it took 33 minutes. 33 minutes to get up to temp, up to 400. But I did have to open this a couple times to pull off the regular burgers. These are doing the Lucy Juicies now, so let's see what the internal temp is of them. 150, 152, almost to 155, 149, 150, 148. So we're getting really close on the Juicy Lucy's. Ready, 155 is what we're looking for. That was ready. All right, this right here is just a regular Lipton Onion burger, which they're great by themselves. My son doesn't like a bunch of stuff on them, so it's pretty much just ketchup, cheese, and the Lipton Onion burger. But as you can tell, we went up to well done, 155, 160, and he loves them, but they turned out great. They have a good smoke ring on them. Now the Lucy Juicies. All right, man, you gotta have bacon on your Lucy Juicy here. So we piled 4 or 5 pieces of bacon on top of it. My wife here puts this lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise on top of this cheeseburger with a pepper jack on the inside. And man, here we come. We're getting ready to cut this bad boy open. You're getting ready to see what this thing looks like inside. But man, this was one of the better hamburgers I've ever had. The Lipton Onion Soup mix on the inside, even if you don't use that, whatever you want to use. And then just put that cheese on the inside of this. This thing had a smoke ring on this burger that was unreal. But look here, I have to reach in and help her because it's wanting to fall apart. This thing was so big and thick and juicy. Man, it was good. But that pepper jack cheese on the inside, I've seen people do jalapeno cheese inside or cheddar. But this was an awesome, awesome burger. Give it a try on your RECTEQ 700. If you don't have a RECTEQ 700, do it on your smoker or your other grill. Thanks, like, and subscribe.